Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we are working on a G35 G37 Sedan, and I'm going to be removing the glove box for you. Basically just teaching you how to do that. Let's just jump right into it. Alright, so first things first, can you see? Okay, I'm going to pull this piece off right here, and you're going to see like a little handle, not a handle, but like a little indentation on this. You just kind of lift up like that, pop that out, and then the front pulls back. Make sure not to break your tabs, those are important. And then under here, there's a little, you can just get it with your finger. It's right at the front of this kick panel. And then this comes out like that. Then you're gonna wanna come right here. You're gonna wanna pop this out. All right, then once you get those side pieces off, there's a little cover right here. That just pops down, and then there's two little slots that these slide into. So pop the front down, and then the back pulls out. And then once you get that, you're going to come over to this region, and you're going to kind of have to manhandle this. You pull one way, and you'll feel it kind of loosen up out of the bottom. And then it pops down like that. And you're going to twist the glove box this way so you can see this clip. So you're going to see the little retractor cable. That basically clips onto that little post. So just lift up the back of this, and then it'll come off like that. So there is your glove box out, and I'll teach you, since we're right here, we're going to take the housing of this off so that we can get to our cabin air filter. So basically there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Phillips heads that you're going to take off. Come on. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll grab the Phillips head for this one. So once you have all those loose, you just pull forward. Come on, you don't have to be mean. So just pull forward like that, and then you're gonna have some plugs back here. So this is for your trunk, actually. So if you do this and you accidentally click that, you won't be able to open your trunk. So try to avoid that. That light pops out like that. And there you go. There's the whole housing of the glove box. And if you look right here, see this white plastic cover? To replace your cabin air filter, you basically just pop that out, and your cabin air filter is right there. And this is gross. Look at all that. You're breathing that. That's gross. Change your cabin air filters.